This is the QuickBooks homepage, and as you can see, it's organized like any other Windows program. It has a title bar, which gives you the name of the company file, the version of QuickBooks that you're using, and the year of the version. It has drop-down menus, like any other Windows program. The second bar, after the drop-down menus, these are your navigators: Home, Company Snapshot, Customer Center, Vendor Center, Employee Center, Report Center. After the double bar, we have icons. These are tasks that are frequently performed. Additionally, you can come in here and customize the icon bar, and you can customize this to your liking. If you look at the overview of the QuickBooks homepage, it's organized like a flow chart. These are the specific tasks that you would perform in a specific order. So if you just follow along with the flow chart, you'll be recording your tasks in the proper order. Let's take a look at the Customer Center. This is a list of your customers, and as you can see, each customer will have its own file and the specific transactions that have occurred with each customer, which is convenient in case a customer calls and has a question. If you want to see how much customers owe us, click on Open Balances, and that'll tell you how much customers owe us. Let's take a look at the Vendor Center. The Vendor Center gives a list of all the vendors that we do business with, and if we want to find out quickly how much we owe vendors, click on Open Balances, and this will tell us. Let's take a look at the Employee Center. This will give us a list of our employees and the different paychecks we've paid them over time. And the Report Center. The Report Center has a list of over 200 reports. And what I like about the Report Center is if you have a specific question, you can come in here and find the answer. And all the categories are on the left-hand side: company and financial, customers and receivables, sales. So how much money did my company make or lose over a specific period of time? Let's take a look at a profit and loss, or also known as an income statement. You can customize the dates. That has a date drop-down menu, and it'll give you the different dates that you might want to look up. Additionally, you can use the from or the to box. Also, there's different ways to access the same thing in QuickBooks. You can go to the Report Center for reports, or you can go to the Reports drop-down menu. We could pull up the profit and loss from here also. We can also pull up a balance sheet, which will give us our assets, liabilities, and equity. Let's take a look at a statement of cash flow. This is the statement of cash flow. Another neat feature of QuickBooks are the tutorials that I can access here from the coach. So if you come in here to the Tutorial Center, let's take a look at getting around in QuickBooks. So what you can do, in case you can't hear the audio transcript, we have an audio transcript button which will give you a complete description of everything that the narrator is saying. And all of these links are tutorials. And on the left hand side we have the categories: overview and setup, customers and sales, vendors, expenses, inventory, payroll, merchant services, and what's new. So if you go through the tutorials, that'll give you a complete overview of how to get started with QuickBooks. And at any time, if you have a question, just press F1, and that'll bring up the Help Center. And you can choose different topics, or you can come in here to the search button and type it in. That should get you started. Thank you for listening.